Hello all, my name is Jagruti and today we are going to explore about World Day Against Child Labor. But before that, don't forget to hit the bell icon when you subscribe to my channel. World Day Against Child Labor is celebrated worldwide on 12th June every year and is sanctioned by International Labour Organization ILO. According to ILO data, hundreds of millions of girls and boys throughout the world are involved in work that deprives them of receiving an adequate education, health, leisure, and basic freedom, violating this way their rights. Of these children, more than half of millions are exposed to the worst forms of child labor, include work in hazardous environments, slavery, or other forms of forced labor, illicit activities such as drug trafficking and prostitution, as well as involvement in armed conflict. This day aiming to raise awareness and activism to prevent child labor and is intended to foster the worldwide movement against child labor. ILO is United Nations agency whose mandate is to advance social and economic justice through setting international labor standards. ILO founded in 1919. It is first and oldest specialized agency of UN. ILO regulates world of work. World Day Against Child Labor launched in 2002 in order to bring attention and join efforts to fight against child labor. Child laborers in India found in diamond industry, fireworks manufacture, silk manufacture, carpet weaving, domestic labor, agriculture, in restaurants, dhabas, hotels, spas, resorts, and also in mining. Various laws in India such as Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act 2000 and the Child Labor Act 1986 provide a basis in law to identify, prosecute and stop child labor in India. The Child Labor Prohibition and Regulation Act 1986 is a law enacted on 23 December 1986 by the Parliament of India and Ministry of Labour and Employment. The Act prohibits private, government or semi-government companies, organizations, civil departments and child's family from employing child in any occupation or process. Child is defined as any person below age of 14. Act prohibits employment of child in any employment including domestic help. Any employer or occupier caught doing such thing in which a child is being used as a laborer is regarded as a serious offensive crime. There are many NGOs active in India working to eradicate child labor. Children who work fail to get necessary education. They do not get opportunity to develop physically, intellectually, emotionally and psychologically. Therefore, World Day Against Child Labor brings together governments, local authorities, civil society and international, workers and employers, organizations to point out child labor problems and define the guidelines to help child laborers.